This series of videos highlight native plants flowering in our members' gardens or in the local bushland at this time of the year.
Thanks, Martin. Thank you. Okay, I did throw in the mistletoes first. We've got a couple of photos. If Peter's still around, he can make some extra comments if he wants. Ralph sent me this one, which he got locally, I believe, Denjopthoe vitulina.
That's interesting, that one, because they say the vitulina's got orange flowers, that's got yellow flowers. See how green the leaf is?
Yeah.
The photos I showed you, really olive-coloured leaves, a really rounded end. It's quite a variable species, which makes it really interesting.
So you won't believe this. I had no idea we were having a talk tonight, and I had no idea it was going to be Peter on mistletoes. So I just wasn't up to speed. That's my fault. But my colleague from TAFE sent me this photo last week saying, Dan, check this out. What do you reckon? I got this on a golf course this week. And Joan has a real good close-up of the flowers. So you're getting sort of three people with three shots of the same species, but there's a really good close-up. Nice one. So Ralph has got this one called Notophyxos suboreus, which was on the same tree.
I didn't mention, except that's the golden mistletoe. So look at the bottom right photo and the golden hairs over the leaves. I just think it's a beautiful, it's the leaves that are beautiful when the sun reflects on it. You can see the flowers there are tiny, the fruit's tiny. The top right, on the right, the top photo, you can see a fruit there that's probably ripe. Now, this only grows on other mistletoes. It cannot invade or grow on a tree branch anywhere, but only on other mistletoes. So it's a very primitive mistletoe family that also grows in Europe and those places. Whereas the colourful mistletoes, which we've been looking at, is a Southern Hemisphere Gondwana group of mistletoes.
Yes, right. Yeah, I did read that today, that it's parasitic on other mistletoes, which is very interesting. So yeah, that one's in a different family, folks, to I think the group Peter's talking about. So it's in the Santalaceae, which has, you know, Exocarpus and Santalum, Quandong as well. So yeah, it's parasitic on other mistletoes. That's an interesting, real interesting feature.
If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and view other great content? New videos being added all the time.